The Cinergy Sub15 can be installed in a stud wall for ultra-discreet, powerful bass, with unique isolation brackets to prevent vibrations. Using the supply template, mark the holes on the floor or constructed platform as instructed. Fix the locator bungs to the floor or constructed platform using screws. Attach the isolation feet to the Sub15 using the bolts provided. Optionally, add the isolation pads down the sides of the subwoofer to further reduce vibrations. Place the subwoofer into the stud wall, locating the isolation feet over the bungs. Use the handles in the cabinet to help lift it. Align the brackets with the speaker and the stud to mark a central point. Use this point to drill a pilot hole. Fix the isolation bracket to the top of the cabinet with the screws and washers provided. Be sure to enable the brackets and movement by not tightening the screw too tight at this stage. Insert the bracket isolator between the stud and the bracket, and use the washers provided and suitable screws to fix to the stud. Tighten your screws going into the speaker cabinet when you're happy with the positioning.